Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT and today I'm gonna show you how to cook the classic carbonara without any cream. So the real carbonara don't use cream at all. Before we get started, let me show you all the ingredients here. These are the ingredients that you need to prepare to cook the carbonara. But Jackie, I saw the bacon. This is not the real carbonara recipe. The real one, we use guanciale or pancetta, not bacon. Yeah, I know. You are absolutely right about that. But unfortunately, my area, I can't find pancetta or guanciale. So I can only use bacon as a substitute. If you can get guanciale, go for it. That's the real deal, okay? So this is a recipe for two. Prepare some black pepper, salt, good quality extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs, 200 grams of thicker spaghetti. They call it spaghetti, something like that. If I'm wrong, please correct me. And also cheese, Parmesan cheese, like very soft grated one. Yeah, that's all you need. Basically, carbonara is egg, meat, cheese and spaghetti. That's it. Very simple. That's the main ingredients. So right now I'm boiling the water and I'm gonna cook the pasta. Right now the water is boiling hot. I'm gonna put a pinch of salt just to season the water. Put inside, twist it. Make sure the spaghetti is not sticking to each other. Okay, separate them. And you cook it, wait for it. You can see the package, usually 8 to 9 minutes for this kind of a spaghetti, thick one. Meanwhile, I'm gonna chop up the bacon into small pieces. Take all the 4 stripes of bacon, because for 2 persons, the 4 stripes here, line it up, chop it into small pieces like this, so that it will easily cook out. Yeah, about this size. Yeah, not too big, not too small. That's it. So about this size, perfectly. Okay. So the spaghetti been cooking for a few minutes now. I'm gonna check it, see whether it's al dente or not. Yeah. Okay, it's ready. Cook the bacon. I'm using a non-stick pan so that the bacon won't stick on the pan, hence the name non-stick. Put a bit of the olive oil because bacon got tons of fats. Focus. Okay, put it inside. Put it into a medium heat because I don't want my bacon not render the fats out and it's already burnt. Yeah, that's a no-no. Put it inside. Okay. So I'm gonna let it cook for a few minutes and I'll check it later. I'm gonna make the sauce. 2 eggs. Use all the egg. Okay. Then you whisk it. Okay. That should be good. Okay, put the Parmesan cheese inside. Put it all. 2 pinches of black pepper. And then whisk it again. I will put a bit of salt because I know this bacon is not that salty. If you use guanciale, don't put salt because guanciale is quite salty. Yeah, should be enough. Okay. Leave it aside. Now look at the bacon. Now you can see the bacon is started to turn brown. That's what I want, okay? A bit burnt, but not totally burnt like black. Yeah. Almost done. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna pour the spaghetti inside. Okay, and turn off the heat because later I'm gonna put the sauce inside. Give a quick stir. Let the spaghetti soak into the bacon oil, bacon fat. Yeah. I want the heat, the temperature to go down because I want to pour the sauce later and you don't want to make the sauce into scrambled egg. that will be a disaster. So the sauce should be creamy and smooth, not scrambled egg, and no cream. Once again, absolutely forbidden. No cream at all. Seems like cooling down. Okay, the moment of truth. Pour the sauce inside and quick stir it. Okay, take it off. Quick stir it. Yeah. When you do this, it's also preventing the egg become the scrambled egg. Distribute the heat everywhere. If not, it will centralize and cook the egg. Okay, so it's done now. Plating. I'm gonna take some out. Get some bacon on top. Final touch. Let me clean the side first. Take a pinch of black pepper, spray it on top, wherever you like, just for decoration. And also more Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle on top, and voila! There you have it. Real carbonara. I'm gonna try it now. Okay, let's try out. This is how you make the carbonara. Creamy without cream. So that's about it, guys. I'll enjoy the rest of it. Remember to click a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Share it to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below. Donate if you can to my PayPal account to support this channel. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.